Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we will learn the alphabet letters. Let's trace and paint them together.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
A,
Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the
B,
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man
C,
who lives on Drury Lane.
D, E,
Do you know the Muffin Man, the
F,
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
G,
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
H,
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who
I,
lives on Drury Lane.
J, K,
Do you know the Muffin
L.
Man, the Muffin Man?
Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
We know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
D for doll.
The wheels on the bus.
E for egg.
Go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish.
F for frog.
All through the town. The wheels on the bus.
G for glass.
Yeah! The wheels on the bus.
H for hat.
Yeah! The horn on the bus.
I for igloo.
Beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep,
J for jam.
all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
K for kite.
Yeah!
L for lamb. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, C. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. C for zebra. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.